In this video, we show you how to create a professional portfolio website using the ideal professional portfolio builder. It's quick, easy, and completely optimized for both career visibility and personal branding. Let's dive in. Head over to app.theidealprofessional.online to access the portfolio builder. There are 3 ways to reach the portfolio builder page, and you can use any of them. Once you're on the builder page, take note of the optimized structure and available sections. There are 2 main areas you will be working with, the form on your left and the preview panel on the right. So all you need to do is to fill in your required details on each section of the form. As you fill out the form, you instantly see what your portfolio looks like in real time. For this video, I have written out my details on a Google Doc, ready to copy and paste onto the required fields for demonstration. The username is used to customize your portfolio link, so use something that represents you. You can also use these buttons to include a profile picture and your CV for more visibility. You can also use the template button to choose your preferred template and website design among the available options. Do this based on your career and personal preference. You can also include links to your videos, podcast, or article to showcase and demonstrate more of your work and projects. On completion, use the Expand button to preview your portfolio website in real time before publishing. Once satisfied with your portfolio website preview, use the Publish button to publish and go live. It takes less than 2 minutes for the portfolio builder to publish your portfolio website. Once completed, it provides you with the live website link, ready to share. You can now use the Open button to visit your portfolio website. Thank you for watching.